A 4mm and a 6mm. We're gonna layer those up. Let's get into it. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Very excited to be here today. Got a fantastic request for you guys. I had a couple of people inquire about the rope chains, okay? Now we're talking about today a 4mm and a 6mm. We're gonna layer those up. Let's get into it. So I get asked a lot of questions about rope chains. Joe, what size rope chain do you recommend? I know that you talk about a lot of the fact that a rope chain is the best bang for your buck chain. Absolutely, I think so, because you're getting a ton of look for a very, very decent amount of money. In fact, I've mentioned to a couple of you amazing subscribers, I've been looking into a diamond cut rope chain lately. Looking at a 5mm diamond cut rope chain. When you're looking at a rope chain and you want to make your purchase, keep in mind if you order, for example, a diamond cut, depending on the manufacturer that you get it from, that diamond cut is going to be smaller. So if you order a 5mm rope chain, for example, when you actually get it, because it's diamond cut, it's going to be a little bit smaller. I don't know if all manufacturers are like that, but I do know that a few of them have told you, yes, if you order this, it's going to be measured at the original width, but once you finally get it, it's going to be a little bit smaller because we measure it before the diamond cuts. So whatever the case is, just make sure if you're ordering one from whoever you order with, or if you're getting one made or something along those lines, you go ahead and make sure you know what the deal is, what measurement you'll get. So if you want a diamond cut rope chain at about 5mm, you should probably be ordering about a 5.5mm rope chain at that point, because when they cut it down, you may be getting closer to like a 5 or between a 5 and a 5.5, something along those lines. So the request that we had for today is, could you do a video layering 6mm and a 4mm rope chain? Now I wasn't given any specific lengths, so we're going to be throwing a 6mm rope chain, not diamond cut. These are not diamond cut, but we're going to be throwing a 6mm rope chain, 22 inches in length, and then we're going to throw the 4mm at a 20 inches in length to give you guys a nice layered look, to show you guys what this layering look will look like. I've noticed over a period of time that I've been doing this channel, a lot of the very, very popular sizes are 4mm, 5mm, and 6mm rope chains. Those are like the most popular that I've seen. What size do you guys like? Let us know in the comments, and would you like this layered look? More of you guys that weigh in with your opinions, those opinions help the people on this channel to be able to make an amazing purchase when they finally come down to it. In case you haven't been here before, my name is Joe. I'm 5'6". Today I'm about 156 pounds, and we're gonna be taking jewelry 12 feet away to show you guys the most realistic view that you can get on a camera when it comes to your jewelry purchase. Let's throw these around the neck and give you guys a look. So before we take these 12 feet away, I just wanted to show you up close and personal the difference you're going to be getting when you go from a 6mm rope, a 4mm rope chain to a 6. Here we have the 4, and here we have the 6. Now that is an insane difference, as you can see. But if I were to remove this 6mm, now this 4mm, well, it may not be looking all that big to you, but if I just came right up to the camera originally and had the 4mm, you'd probably be thinking that's an amazing looking chain, and it is. But when you compare it to the 6mm, you're gonna, I mean, there's no denying the massive difference. So in my opinion, personally, I haven't layered these yet. I'm going to be layering it on camera for you, but I believe that you might want to actually consider maybe a 6 and a 5 or a 5 and a 4, because this look here just looks like a super huge jump. But let's throw it around the neck and see what we're looking at. So I figured it would actually make the most sense to probably go ahead and throw them on separately and then do the layered look. So let me take this 4mm back. As you guys can see here, I probably should change my shirt. Let's take this 4mm back again real quick to show you guys the 4mm look, just in case you didn't get the first time, and then we're going to throw back on that other one. I apologize. I should have realized before I started the video, but I was so amped to get into this because it's such a requested topic. Everybody loves those ropes. Now let's get into that 6. Okay, much better. Here is the 6mm, 22 inches. Remember, that 4mm was at 20 inches, so we're taking this all the way back 12 feet away, and next we're going to be layering them. Remember, a 20 inch for the 4 and a 22 inch. I wasn't asked to do any particular type of layering, so I figured this is probably one of the most common looks. Nothing wrong with that. It's common for a reason, right? You don't fix what's not broken. All right, so around the neck, you see we have this layered look. Now I'm gonna take this 12 feet back. We're gonna see how that looks like, you know, what that looks like to you. But personally, I feel like the 6 right now is just overpowering this way too much. I really do. I think it's overpowering it. I think it's a nice layered look. I think it looks cool. But if you were gonna do this, I would recommend maybe going with a 5mm instead of a 4, or maybe going with a 5 and a 6 millimeter, or a 5 and a 4mm. One of those. All right, so that's the layered look with the 6 and the 4. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What's your opinions? If you guys want to see a 5mm and a 4mm, we can do that too. Just let me know. I hope this video was able to help the subscriber to make a choice. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for the support on this channel. I'm glad to know this channel is doing what it needs to do in helping you guys make your sizing, your online jewelry purchases and all that stuff. Grateful to be here. Thanks again for the support. Talk soon. Be safe. Catch you at the next video.